Session 2 hoise reading to almost ami hole gote activity koilo etia ami akbaru amar next section le session 2 naam hol amar writing ki likhon Writing is a way to communicate ideas and thought using symbols, letters, punctuation and space. Eta likhon amar hofol tetiahe hobo jetia ami jitu amar monor bhav ami eta likhon rupot prostut kori asu jot ami amar biram chinno hoy gol amar ideas amar communication kora symbols gita amar letters alphabets and amar space gita ami dunia ke maintain kori asu jodi moi likhibo jao aru moi likhu This is a ball. Kintu ki amar yat proper spacing to hoy ase nai hua nohoy tetia amar etu ki hobo amar likhon to ki hobo bor dhunia ke sposto hua nai kintu jetia ami likhim dhunia ke spacing korim this is a ball tar pisot ami amar punctuation mark dim etia amar etu sposto hol na nohol mur monot Soli asile mor monor bhav moi keneke express korilu apnalogo communicate korilu mor monot jitu soli asile this is a ball this is a paper how I have communicated you I have communicated you using some alphabets join kori moi ki bonalu moi bonalu words join kori moi bonalu sentence or pass phale moi jot dorkar hoy ami logalo punctuation mark jetia ami ei sob milai kini ami jeta kaam korilu ami saisu amar jitu monor bhag moi jitu communicate koribo bisaisilu etu bor dunia ke hol aru tat apna spacing hoy gol punctuation and our jitu communication or jitu symbols ba alphabet ba words yotor amar correct hobo lagibo amar this this to likhibole hame this likhile nohobo this likhile this hobo he karone amar proper spacing aru amar placement to alphabets of bor dorkar hobo amar writing khetor ei sob bostu gita ami amak student ok hikabo lagibo amar writing khetrot Thus, writing is the act of creating a persistent or representation of human language. Tetia ami writing o ki ko writing to amar act hoy amar representation of human language. Tetia ami human language of represent koru amar mono bhav amar likhon rupot tetia amar writing hoy. Writing hot ami ki koru ami encoding koru amar spoken language of jeneki kali ami decoding korisilu etia ami ki korim encoding ki korim amar spoken language of jetu ami koi asu hetu ami yat likhit rupot ami tetia koribo paisu tetia amar ki hoy etu amar encoding to